when you drive in extreme weather, you need to make sure you can see better, that your brakes are safe. This is the steer air drum. Doesn't have a problem with getting the throttle. It only has ventilation here, ventilation on the side. So the steer air drum is very tight, doesn't get frozen. The 4 air drums on the drive, you need to make sure all of them are sealed for water. This one is sealed. This one is sealed. This one I have a problem with in the last few days. I sealed it. This one is sealed. So the tractor is okay. I have no problem with the brakes in the tractor. And I think I need to add windshield fluid, and I need to have extra wipers. On the trailer, on the chassis, that chassis is a nightmare. The chassis has split rings, split rims, and tubes. So to get a flat on this chassis, you will have to abandon your truck because nobody's going to help you with this kind of chassis. This is a miserable chassis. This is not a chassis that you like to mess with. You need to make 100% sure that you don't get a flat with it. This is a split ring, split trim. Here, this is a sealed. This air drum is sealed. This is sealed. Has a red seal, has a decent red seal. Yeah, it has a decent red seal. So this air drum is sealed. This is the worst nightmare, is to drive on a split rim and a split ring. This is locked, zip tied. Locked and zip tied. This is sealed. This drum is sealed very well. And this drum is sealed. So we are good as far as getting anything frozen while driving at night. Driving at night in a snowstorm is not fun at all. You have to make sure every component in your vehicle can be trusted. Its temperature now is under freezing. But we are good. It is melting. It is melting. but at night you will have a longer ones.